Hello students, in previous classes we have discussed about the rational numbers and properties of rational numbers, and now we will do exercise 1.1. Okay children, first bit, name the property involved in the following examples. Okay, here we are having some examples and we should say whether which property is involved in those examples. Okay, first one is 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5 is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. Okay children. Okay, what is the first property? Did you remember? The first property is closure property. In closure property, if we add two rational numbers, here 8 by 5 and 0, then we should get rational number. 8 by 5 is also rational number. So here we can conclude that it is involved in closure property. Okay, solution. Property is closure property, that is two rational numbers for rational numbers a comma b, a plus b should be a rational number. Therefore 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5. Okay, this is a rational number. So hence it is under closure property. Okay, and here it is involved with one more property also. Okay, here we are having 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5, which is also is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. Okay, we are having one more property, that is commutative property. In commutative property, we know that a plus b should be equal to b plus a. Okay, here both numbers 8 by 5 plus 0, a plus b is equal to some number and b plus a is also equal to the same number. So here we are also having another property. It is also involved with commutative property. Okay, what is commutative property? A plus, that is, okay, this is symbol of that is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5, which is equal to 8 by 5. So hence satisfied. Here we are having two property, that is closure property and also commutative property. Okay, we will go to the next one. Next question is 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Here we are expanding. Okay, this is, by seeing we can understand that this is under distributive property. Okay, solution. Distributive property. Why? Because what is distributive property? A into b plus c should be equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, hence this property is satisfied here. Okay, we will see the next one now. 3 by 7 into 1 is equal to 3 by 7, which is equal to 1 into 3 by 7. Okay, this is also similar to the first one. Okay, here we are multiplying the two rational numbers. Here we have done the addition. Okay, this is the property under addition. Okay, closure property under addition, and here we are having closure property under multiplication, and also commutative property, here addition and here it is for multiplication. Okay, closure solution property for multiplication. Okay children, what is the closure property for multiplication? A into b. If any two rational numbers a into b should be equal to a rational number. Okay, here it is satisfied. So it is involved with closure property for multiplication. Okay, what is the another property we are observing here? We can say commutative property also. Okay, what is commutative property? Commutative property, that is a into b should be equal to b into a. Okay, here we are having both numbers. 3 by 7 into 1 is equal to 1 into 3 by 7, which is equal to a number 3 by 7. So hence this is involved, this example is involved with the property closure property for multiplication and also commutative property for multiplication. Okay, we will see the next one now. Okay students, the next one is minus 2 by 5 into 1, which is equal to minus 2 by 5, which is also equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5. Okay, here also we observe the same pattern as the previous one. Okay, here we are having rational numbers minus 2 by 5 into 1, which is equal to a rational number. So it is also involved with the closure property for multiplication, and also minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5. Okay, this is similar to the commutative property for multiplication. Okay, here also it is involved with the two properties. What are the two property? Closure property for multiplication since a into b is equal to a rational number. Okay, and also commutative property. Okay, what is commutative property? A into b is equal to b into a. Okay, here both the properties are also satisfied. Okay, next we will see the fifth one now. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Okay, here we can observe that it is in the pattern of a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So it is involved in the property, yes, commutative property. Again, commutative property for addition it is. Okay, since okay 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5, both are same. That is, next we will see (5 by 2) into 3 by 7 is equal to 15 by 14. Okay. Okay, if we do see this, it is 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? 5 into 3 is 15. 2 into 7 is 14, which is equal to 15 by 14. Okay, here we are multiplying two numbers and we got a multiplying two rational numbers and we are getting a rational number. So it is closure property again. Closure property again under multiplication it is. Okay. Next one, 7a plus of minus 7a is equal to 0. Okay, here we are having two numbers. One is a positive number and its additive inverse. Okay, do you remember children? Additive inverse is we will take the opposite sign of the rational number. Here we are having a rational number 7a and its opposite sign. Okay, here we are having plus, so we are taking here minus. If we add both the numbers and we get the answer 0. So in such cases it is involved with the additive inverse. It is additive inverse because 7a plus or plus into minus becomes minus. 7a minus 7, which is equal to 0. So it is additive inverse. Okay, the property involved is additive inverse. And the next one is x into 1 by x is equal to 1 for x not equal to 0. Okay, here we are multiplying one number with its reciprocal. Okay, I think if you remember, this property is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, in multiplicative inverse we will multiply a number with its reciprocal and we get the result as 1. Okay, for example, if I take a number, if x is equal to some number 2, okay, then 2 into its reciprocal is 1 by 2, okay, which is equal to 1. Since we cancel 2 ones are 2 ones, okay, we getting the result is 1. Okay, this is satisfied only for x not equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then x becomes 0 here. 1 by 0 it becomes infinitive. So it is not equal to a rational number. So in such case the multiplicative inverse won't be satisfied. Here it is involved with the property multiplicative inverse. Okay children, okay, we will see the next one now. Okay, here we are having 2 into x plus 2 into 6, which is equal to 2 into x plus 6. Okay, by seeing this we can understand that this is under the distributive property. Okay, do you remember children, distributive property we are having a into b plus c, okay, which is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here it is in the form of reverse way. It is LHS is in the place of RHS and RHS is in the place of LHS. Okay, we will see that. Okay, what is distributive property? A into b plus c. Okay, solution we write, which should be equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, here what is the a here 2. Okay, we are taking the RHS to the LHS side and LHS to the RHS side. Okay, 2 into x plus 6 should be equal to 2 into x plus 2 into 6. Okay, it becomes 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 6 to the 12, 2x plus 2, both are equal. Okay, therefore it is satisfying the distributive property. Okay students, this is about the